When installing a 30 amp Receptacle 6.30 receptacle on an emergency power source, clearly indicating its purpose is crucial for safety and proper operation. Since the receptacle may not come in red, several options can help identify it as an emergency power outlet. Firstly, painting the cover is an option, but it is generally not recommended to paint electrical covers because it can interfere with their function or create safety hazards. If painting is the chosen method, use a high-temperature paint specifically designed for electrical components. Ensure that the paint does not cover any electrical contacts or terminals. Secondly, reducers are color-coded faceplates that fit over standard electrical covers. These are available in different colors, including red, and can quickly indicate the type of circuit or receptacle. Thirdly, labels can be applied. Apply a clear label to the cover that states emergency power only or emergency power source. Use durable labels that can withstand harsh conditions and ensure that the label is clearly visible and easy to read. Fourthly, electrical tape can be used by wrapping red electrical tape around the body or face of the receptacle cover. This is a temporary solution, but can be effective in alerting individuals to the purpose of the outlet. Use high-quality electrical tape that can withstand heat and moisture. Fifthly, you can opt for a custom cover by ordering custom-made receptacle covers in red. This is a more expensive option, but provides a professional and permanent solution. In addition to these methods, ensure that the emergency power source is clearly marked and easy to locate. Consider adding a lockout or tag-out device to prevent accidental use of the emergency circuit. Also, train personnel on the proper use and handling of emergency power sources to maintain safety and prevent misuse. Remember that safety should be the top priority when dealing with electrical installations, especially those involving emergency power systems.